Hi, my dear English learners. I am Jairam Reddy from DAV High School RTPP. You know the importance of today. It is 21st June, International Yoga Day. I feel proud of being an Indian and celebrating International Yoga Day on June 21st. This is our school. It is located in RTPP, VV Reddy Nagar. I would like to show you our school and the way it has filled with green plants. In what way we are going to celebrate International Yoga Day? You come with me. Look here, it took for us a couple of years to make barren land into green garden. What kind of plants have we planted? 2 years ago there were no plants, but now everywhere you can see green garden. This is our school building, which has about 48 classrooms, and this is the transformation because of our principal and all the teachers. All the teachers came forward and extended their hand so that we are able to change the physical building of the school. And see, we are celebrating Yoga Day, and one of the chief guests delivers speech on the importance of Yoga Day. This is our school building. All the teachers have attended the program. Our principal, Mr. Prasad, Telugu Department Head, Mr. Shyam Sundar, and I gave a warm welcome to one of the chief guests, Mr. Kumar, who works as the Superintendent of Civil Department, RTPP. The chief guest is escorted by 2 teachers, and a floral bouquet is also given by Mr. Shyam Sundar. He is Mr. Ramana Rao, one of the chief guests who works as DYCCA RTPP, has delivered his speech. All the teachers have seated patiently. I told you, he is Mr. Ramana Rao, who works as DYCCA RTPP, has performed some of the yogasanas. He has outstanding ability in doing yoga. Yoga is for not only physical health but also for mental health, says Mr. Ramana Rao. Wow, we are amazed at his asanas. and he asked all the teachers, including the dignitaries on the stage, to put on the practice right then. Finally, as a part of plantation, chief guest and the principal have planted some plants. They appreciated the efforts of all the teachers and the principal. We have celebrated International Yoga Day successfully, and it gave scope to all of us to come to know about the importance of practicing yoga in our day-to-day life. That's it. This is the thing that I would like to show you regarding celebrating International Yoga Day in our school. Hope you have enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.